Welcome back to Conquistador. This is a room at Las Brisas, which is up on the main resort area. It's a big bathroom with a big walk-in closet. This is a basic ocean view room. I don't know if the other rooms that overlook the rainforest are either cheaper or pricier or the same. It's a nice view too. The rooms are identical. It's just, the view, kind of what you like. Tell you about the place in a second. This is a king room. It has a big king room and a sofa bed. It has a fridge here. By the way, they have Crabtree and Evelyn in the bathroom. No espresso machine, just a coffee maker. But coffee in Puerto Rico is pretty good, so the strength you want. Now, obviously, the highlight of any room in this resort is the view. Honestly, I've traveled quite a bit, and I am from Puerto Rico originally. I travel quite a bit, but I think this hotel at this price level is the best view in the world. I mean, it's up in the hill, in the mountain, overlooking the ocean, and the views are incredible throughout the property. And the way they have set it up, every room basically that you get, as long as it's upstairs, not in, see down there is La Marina where they have a water park. As long as it's not down there, you still get ocean view down there, but if you got any of the rooms up here, which is most of the rooms in the property, you will get the same view, which I think is fantastic. And the balcony is not super large, but it is furnished and it is private, which is something else that's really nice. We come here every year. It's a mid to upper tier hotel. My daughter loves it. They have a water park, they have 2 golf courses, many restaurants. It's really the only resort in this category in Puerto Rico, other than the Ritz-Carlton in the other side of the island, which is basically 4 times the price of this one. So I think I've stayed there. I think this is the much better value. So I strongly recommend it if you want to have 2 or 3 nights in Puerto Rico in a resort style of situation.